afternoon, everyone. I am Juilin E. Pipito. I am third reporter. The Bolinao Museum features archaeology, zoological, botanical, and geological specimens of the Bolinao environs. Exhibits dioramas of mangroves and local weaving or fishing industries. Displays antique church artifacts and native pottery excavated in the area. Established in December 1975 and opened to the public in January 1976. Bolinao Museum is, is a museum located in Bolinao, Pangasinan, Philippines. Nag-showcase po ni siya og history, culture, and natural resources of Bolinao and its surrounding areas. Ang Bolinao Museum features is exhibits on the town's maritime heritage. Include na po diri ang role nga fishing and shipping industries, as well as its involvement in World War II. It also displays artifacts na related sa local culture and way of life, such as traditional clothing, tools, and household items. Additionally, the museum has a section na nagdedicate sa town's biodiversity, featuring specimens of marine life found the nearby waters. Ang Bolinao Museums is nag-aims po ni siya to preserve the town's rich history and promote awareness of its cultural and natural heritage. Historical shrines. Small areas or monuments dedicated to individuals or places of historical significance. Sites of historical events or structures stem for their importance in arts or culture. Monuments designed to commemorate someone or something important. Locations where significant events in the life of a person or nation occurred. Ang historical shrines are religious structures or monuments that commemorate significant events, people, or beliefs from the past. They often hold great cultural and spiritual significance for the communities they serve. Kani nga shrines is nag-found po ni siya all over the world and can vary greatly in size, design, and purpose. Some historical shrines may be associated with a particular religious figure or deity, while others may honor a historical figure or event. Regardless of their specific focus, ang historical shrines nag-serve di siya as important links to the past, preserving the memories and traditions of those who came as before. Historical shrines in the Philippines. We have Rizal Monument, Fort Santiago, the Aguinaldo Shrine, and Corregidor. First is the Rizal Monument. Location is Lunita Park, Manila. Importance, memorial to Dr. Jose Rizal, the national hero. Features, bronze sculpture of Rizal, obelisk made of unpolished granite. Construction, started in 1908, completed in granite, opened to the public in 1913. Historical events, Rizal's remains interred here, solemn processions held on significant anniversaries. Ang Rizal Monument is a national monument in the Philippines that commemorates the life and date of Jose Rizal, one of the country's most important national heroes. It is located at Rizal Park, Manila, and was designed by the Spanish architect Richard Kislings. The monument nag-consist siya og 60 foot 18 meter ang bronze statue of Rizal standing on a 40 foot 12 meter high pedestal. With his arms outstretched and facing the sea, the statue is surrounded by a fountain and gardens, and the entire area is a popular tourist attraction and a symbol of Philippine nationalism. The history behind the Rizal Monument. Philippine Commission Act passed on September 28, 1901, authorizing its construction. Land allocated in Luneta for the monument near where Rizal was executed in 1896. Rizal Committee formed to raise funds through public solicitations. Art competition held 1905 to select design for the monument. 40 artists submitted scale models with 10 finalists selected. Carlo Nicolais Almarter de Bagumbayan awarded first prize, Richard Kislings Moto de Stella second prize. The three theories why Nicolai did not receive the contract. Nicolai's design too intricate and costly. Second is contract stipulated use of local materials. Third is Nicolai failed to post the required 20,000 band. Monument construction completed in 1913. Number 2. Fort Santiago, located in Intramuros, one of the most important sites in Metro Manila, named after Spain's patron saint James or Santiago. Originally designed by architect Gomez Dasmanas in 1590, renovated by architect Fernando Valdez A. Tamon. Initially a palisaded fort of Raha Matanda, destroyed and rebuilt by Spaniards after Manila's capture in 1570, witnessed tortures and deaths of prisoners during World War II, serving as prison dungeons. Fort Santiago is a historic fortress located in Manila, Philippines. It was originally built sa Spanish colonial government in the 16th century to protect the city from foreign invasions. The fortress played a significant role in Philippine history, serving as a military base and a center of political power. One of the most notable events that took place in Fort Santiago was the imprisonment and execution of Jose Rizal, the Philippines' national hero. Rizal was held captive in the fortress before being executed by firing squad on December 30, 1896. Today, Fort Santiago is a popular tourist attraction and a symbol of Philippine resilience and nationalism. Visitors can explore the fortress grounds, including the dungeons where Rizal was held, and learn about its rich history through exhibits and guided tours. Third is the Aguinaldo Shrine, center of the country's Independence Day commemoration every June 12. Ancestral mansion of Emilio Aguinaldo, built in 1845 and renovated in 1849. American-era Filipino colonial bahay na bato with a floor area of 1,324 square meters. Proclamation of Philippine Independence from Spain on June 12, 1898, done from its front window. Formal unfurling of the Philippine flag designed by Aguinaldo also took place here. site where San Francisco de Malabon Band played the Philippine national anthem, expanded and transformed by Aguinaldo from 1919 to 1921 into a monument flag and country. Ang Aguinaldo Shrine is isa siya ka National Historical Landmark sa Pilipinas that commemorates the site where Emilio Aguinaldo, the first and only president of the First Philippine Republic, proclaimed Philippine independence from Spanish colonial rule on June 12, 1898. Ang shrine is located sa Kawit, Cavite, and houses artifacts and exhibits nga related sa Aguinaldo's life and Philippine struggle para ma-independence. It is considered a significant symbol of a national pride and identity in the Philippines.
Okay.
Fourth is Corregidor. Significantly historical shrine after Second World